Hello, welcome to Ibps channels. I'm Pradipta comes against with in episodes. Very interesting questions. If x is equal to root 2 plus 1 to the power minus 1 by 3, then find the value of x to the power 3 minus 1 upon x to the power 3. Your option is 0, minus root 2, minus 2, and 3 root 2. Nice questions. Look at the solution. X is equal to given x is equal to root 2 plus 1 to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay, so we can write in the next step x to the power minus 3 is equal to both sides में minus 3 multiply कर देंगे. root 2 plus 1 to the power minus 1 by 3 times power minus 3. So minus 3 cancel. Now we can write x to the power minus 3 is equal to root 2 plus 1. Okay, so we can write x to the power minus 3. हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon x to the power 3, because we know that a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. Okay, so 1 by x to the power 3 is equal to root 2 plus 1. Okay, so x to the power 3 is equal to automatically reverse हो जाएगा 1 upon root 2 plus 1. So now root 2 plus 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं both numerator and denominator है root 2 minus 1 multiply करेंगे. So now numerator में root 2 minus 1 हो जाएगा. So नीचे में root 2 minus 1 a plus b, this is a plus b and a minus b format में है. Okay, so this will be root 2 minus 1. Okay, so question क्या पूछ रहा है? root 2 root x to the power 3 minus 1 upon x to the power value कितना है? So x to the power 3 minus 1 by x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 3 का वैल्यू कितना है? root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1, then minus root 2 plus 1. So bracket, if you open the bracket, root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 minus 1. So minus root 2 plus root 2 cancel. So minus 1, then minus 1. It should be minus 2. So the option C is the correct answer. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.